something is happening worldwide. In our skies, in our waters, in our history, and in our lives. For millennia, people in all walks of life, on every continent since recorded history, from petroglyphs to videos, government documents to witnesses' spoken words, has clearly shown that we are experiencing the inexplicable. Each experiencer has questioned first their eyes, their perceptions, and then their sanity. Yet eventually, with sound science methodologies and a collective understanding, we can better understand and more correctly identify this history-spanning and worldwide phenomenon known as UFOs. The wondrous nature of our universe is yet to be fully understood and might never be fully grasped. Yet we must have the courage and the strength to intelligently explore, question, and to continue our journey of understanding. We must set aside dogma and the limits imposed by those less willing to address this phenomenon that touches tens of thousands of lives and places in our world. Hopefully, we will not have to wait for the outcome of a statement made by Max Planck, arguably the father of quantum mechanics, who stated, "New scientific truth does not triumph by convincing its opponents and making them see the light, but rather because its opponents eventually die and a new generation grows up that is familiar with it." Shortly before the historic moon landing of Apollo 11 in 1969, an organization was formed that came to be known as the Mutual UFO Network, or MUFON. Since that time, MUFON, with the guidance of Alan Utke, Walter Andrus Jr., John Schuessler, and now James Carrion, has grown to be one of the largest and respected organizations of its kind in the world, whose mission is the scientific study of UFOs, or unidentified flying objects, for the benefit of all humanity. MUFON's goals are to investigate UFO sightings and collect that data in the MUFON database for use by researchers worldwide. To promote research on UFOs, to discover the true nature of this phenomenon, with an eye towards scientific breakthroughs and improving the quality of life for everyone on our planet. Then, to educate the public on the UFO phenomenon and its potential impact on our world society. We must continue to take up our best sciences and seek the evidence, clear the illusions, and discover the truth and the real implications it brings to us. The serious study of this phenomenon only risks our ignorance. What we might find will be a better understanding of ourselves, our future as a species that is maybe not alone in uncounted living worlds, in time and space, and possibly other dimensions and universes. We must look, we must question, we must try and understand, or the future will find us only a history.